and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In this episode, we're going to talk about marketing your business in the phone book. So if you're new to business in general and you're new to window cleaning, you're constantly going to be looking for ways to market your business. And one of the ways that traditionally people would market their business is in the phone book. After all, in the old days, that's where people went to find a phone number, to find a business location, to find out if a business even existed, was they went to the phone book. Well, my advice to you, as a window cleaner, having been in business for 10 years and having tried the phone book in the past, is do not market your business in the phone book. The reason why you don't want to market your business in the phone book is, one, it's very expensive to market your business in the phone book. Number two, nobody uses the phone book anymore. Everybody uses Google. Google is the new phone book. And you can get your business listing on Google for relatively inexpensive to free. Now you're looking at a whole set of people who've grown up with the internet, and that is the new way to market your business. So if you're spending money on the phone book, you're wasting your money. So the only time I touched a phone book in the last 10 years was when I decided I might try to market in it. And that was it. And I only tried one time. I did it for like 3 months. I saw nothing from it. And I haven't touched a phone book since. And so I don't recommend you wasting your money on the phone book when you could be spending that on something like Google AdWords or Facebook marketing, or just your business cards or door hangers, or you name it. Just about any other form of marketing but the phone book. Don't use the phone book. Even using the phone book online, I know there's online phone book listings. That's like the dumbest thing I've ever heard, right? Like, why would you go to the phone book online when you can just type it right into Google? It doesn't make any sense. You're going to go to another website to then go there, to then type it in. That's just old thinking. That's thinking from 20 years ago, 30 years ago and beyond, where people were just so used to using the phone book that now, the phone book company is desperate. They're taking their marketing online and trying to take their whole phone book platform online for you to go online, and like you're going to keep using the phone book as like the trusted source, like the only source, when Google has already surpassed them, and this whole idea theirs of using the phone book, it is the new phone book. Don't waste your money with the phone book online either. Getting your website listed with them, paying to have it listed with them, paying to have your number listed with them. This is all nonsense, and there's a ton of these like phone book websites online. I'm not going to list them here for legal reasons, but there's a whole list of these businesses online, different phone book names, that want you to pay to be at the top of their listing and have your website address available, and it's really not needed. And same with some of these like business review sites that I'm also not going to name, but I'm sure you know who I'm talking about. If not, you could easily find out who. Same thing with them. I wouldn't pay to be on their websites either. Part of the problem with these websites is they want you to pay to be on there. Sometimes they charge their customers to use their site, sometimes they don't. Sometimes it is like free for you to be on there, but they want you to pay for like an upgrade to have your website listed or to be at the top of the listings. I mean, you don't need that. It's not going to make any difference in your business. I've never paid for these services, and it's never affected my business. I have plenty of customers. I'm booked 2 weeks out, and I never pay for those services, and I recommend that you don't either. It's a waste of your money. If you want to spend money, the best way to spend your money, if you have some extra cash right now and you're just starting off your business, is to get that website going and spend it on Google AdWords. That would be my recommendation to you. I'm going to go over those in some other videos in more detail. But that's pretty much it. So I hope you found some value in this video. Follow my recommendation. Don't waste your money on the phone book, or online or offline. Go ahead and give me that thumbs up if you appreciated this video and found some useful content here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, become part of my window cleaning community here on YouTube, and show YouTube that you do enjoy these videos and find it to be useful. Also, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and don't forget to comment down below anything else you want to know about in terms of window cleaning, and more specifically maybe advertising on the phone book. Also, don't forget to go to windowcleaningdude.com, where you can learn everything I have to offer, teaching about window cleaning, how to start your business, run your business, everything you need to know about being in business and window cleaning, how to run the business, how to do the various techniques and procedures of window cleaning, including how to use the tools, where to find all the tools. Everything you need to know is found right there on windowcleaningdude.com for free for you. And I will see you in the next episode.